Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to film another video and share with you some of my purchases from Poland. Yes, I am back, and yes, my hair is short. Please give me a break. It was not supposed to be that short. It was supposed to be at least 2-3 inches longer. When the woman in Poland, she went to town with my hair. So anyway, yes, I'm okay with that, although I would like to be this a little bit longer, but it will grow. It's just a hair. I kind of clip it here on the top because sometimes it just gets in my eyes. So anyway, so I'm back and I'm super happy. I've been gone for almost 2 months, you guys. I did post recently, just recently, for the past 2 weeks, I think a lot on my Instagram, just for the security reason, you know, I didn't want to announce that I was out and about. So anyway, yes, I've been away for a while. We are all back. My husband was there, my kids were there. My husband came back earlier, and I still stayed with the kids for a couple of more weeks. So yes, now I'm like rushing. School is about to start. We have like 1 week vacation left. My older son is going off to college in 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks. So yeah, there's a lot of happening. But you guys, since I was so long away in Poland, there's gonna be a series of videos that I'm gonna do, but I thought let's just start strong. I did purchase 2 handbags and 1 wallet. I'm talking from the luxury lines, okay? So this is going to be my Loewe handbags that I'm gonna show you. And yes, I did shop at Loewe in Warsaw. That was like right in the beginning of our trip because we stayed for a couple of days in Warsaw. I did come back to Warsaw quite a few times during the, you know, almost 2 months period, but I only shop really the very first time. Okay, we're gonna start with Loewe because this is the bag that I wanted to purchase. I'm gonna say for the past 2 summers. It is a summer handbag, and I said to myself, you know what, I'm in Europe, it's cheaper, let me just get it. And I am so happy because I have been using it like crazy. So let me show you guys what I got myself. And I mentioned it's a summer bag, right? Ta-da! So this is the Loewe Ibiza, I believe, basket. So yes, it is a summer handbag. I purchased in a size medium. There is a size small and a large. Large, I would say, is like a beach bag, like typical packing your towels and just going to the beach. Small is like, it's kind of cute, but for me it was too small. The medium is just perfect, you guys. And I have been literally wearing around the town. I wore it in Poland. I'm wearing here since I came back. This basket does have a long strap, so you can just, you know, pull it over your shoulder, or you can just simply use the top, you know, top 2 handles. I put this inside and you can just kind of carry it like this, which I often do. It's super comfortable. Obviously it's super light because this is all, I don't know, palm leaves or whatever they call it. I don't know exactly, but yeah, I have been using it already for quite a few times and I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I bought it. First I was thinking to get it with the black leather details, but my sister said like, no, the brown looks so much nicer. So yes, I went for the brown, and it's a very simple, you know, summer basket bag. It has a little closing. Let me just show you guys. Oh, the straps are getting in the way. There is like 2 little leather pieces, so you can kind of and I do it, you know, especially like I went yesterday, was walking around the town. You can just kind of you know, do this and have a little bit of the security, but it's, you know, I mean, keep in mind it's kind of an open, you know, handbag, and of course it's all, there's no pockets, there's no extra pouches, nothing comes in. It's very simple, but it is so cute, you guys. So I thought, why not? I wanted this for like 2 years, and I always was thinking like, oh, I don't need it, but you know what, it makes me happy. And especially like when you wear it with the dresses, with summer outfits, and you know, with this blouse what I'm wearing, yellow, I mean, it's just so cute, right? So yeah, I highly recommend this, guys. I really like I said, I was thinking about this for so long, and the price went up obviously since that time, and I said to myself, you know what, just go for it, because this is really, really nice, and hopefully this will last me you know, for quite a bit. Of course, so far I have no damage. This is obviously a natural material. I was also considering Prada. I went to the Prada store in Warsaw as well. They had very similar, like in size. I think it was a little bit darker, and I think the sales associate says that it was made of different raw materials, but it was very, very similar. It was nearly double the price, if I have to be honest. And of course he was saying the Prada was better because he works for Prada, but my heart was set on this one. So yeah, I am super happy that I got this. So that was my very first purchase. All right, let's talk about Louis Vuitton. So if you have been following me for a while, you know that I was on the very low buy for the last year and a half or so, and I don't really remember the last time I bought anything from Louis Vuitton. That's been probably a few years. I'm a huge Louis Vuitton lover, and I think that most of the handbags I own is from Louis Vuitton. So just the fact that I haven't been buying anything from LV, it's kind of strange. But honestly, I just didn't feel like anything spoke to me, anything called my name, or, you know, so I just kind of gave up. Yeah, I've been definitely not purchasing anything from Louis Vuitton. By the way, if you haven't seen my video on my handbag collection, I'll link it up there. But anyway, let's open up and see what I've got. There was two things that I wanted to buy as I was leaving US, going to Poland, and I got both of these things. So yeah, I've been really good. I did take a look at other things, but no, I stick to what I was supposed to get. So this is the first thing. There's a little handbag in here, yes, and then little accessory I'm gonna show you. And she was so nice. She gave me a bunch of my sales associate was so nice. She gave me a bunch of samples, and I think I really love that. I think it was called a symphony perfume. I really want to buy it because it was so good, so good. So anyway, you guys, let's start with the little one. So this is a little wallet that I'm gonna show you that I wanted to buy for a long time, and I was even looking at the LV website, but I missed when they have a very nice kind of cute springy summery colors, and I like my wallets to be kind of happy since I always stick to the quite neutral handbags. So they did have a color that I wanted in Poland, which I was surprised, and ta-da! I end up purchasing a Rosalie, I think it's called a Rosalie coin purse, and it's in this beautiful kind of pink color, and it's with silver hardware, and it's obviously all leather. So this is empreinte leather and has all those LV embossed. And believe it or not, this was one of the last colors they have. I was asking about the bluish kind of a color of that, but they didn't have it. So yeah, the most of the Rosalie coin purses they had in the monogram, which I was not interested. I really wanted the leather one, and I wanted this to be colorful. So it's a very tiny wallet, but really everything what I've been wearing recently is quite small, so I was looking forward to small wallets. So there is like a little pocket, slip pocket in here. There's quite a bit of the room. You can probably put your cards, extra cards in here as well, because there's not many room for your cards. So obviously there's a little slip pocket here, and there's another one for your cards, but you can put cash here, you can put some extra cards, anything. And there's even room for your change. So if you do carry some cash, it's a bonus. So this is obviously all came with a little tag. This obviously is all leather, and it's just super soft, and I'm super happy that they had like a nice colorful, you know, wallet, because I would not buy any black or the monogram. I just really wanted, you know, something like this. So yeah, I'm really happy that I finally have this in my collection, because I missed when they had in the spring on the website. I saw it and then I didn't pull the trigger, and then I missed it. So yeah, I'm glad they have it. So this is my very first little SLG that I got, and I'm gonna move in to this wallet right away. So this is a little handbag that I wanted to purchase, and the reason I was holding on because obviously it's slightly cheaper when you buy it in Europe. So let me show you guys what I've got. Like I said earlier, I am so much into small bags. Everything I buy recently is basically small. So I thought this is gonna be just perfect to do my quick errands, and it's great to go around the town, especially if I don't have to carry, you know, if I don't go to work, I don't have to carry a lot of things with me. Are you ready? Ta-da! So you guys, this is the newest Pochette Accessoires, and this is the new model. So what it means, it comes with a chain. So obviously this is like your classic Pochette Accessoire. You can wear it with the gold, with the leather strap, or you can attach or just wear this, or just use this chain as accessory. It's like completely up to you, whatever you want to do. And I thought it looks kind of cute, even if you carry it like that. I thought it looks kind of cute. So yeah, or you can take the leather strap off, obviously, and you can just use this. It's a very beautiful gold tone chain. It has some weight to it, but it's not like, you know, too heavy, but also it's not like hollow, if that makes sense. So it's just like a perfect weight. So yeah, you can wear either way, and I really like that idea. And obviously the new model has this zipper pocket, which is kind of you want to almost say like it's in the middle, but it's kind of on the side because there's a slip pocket, and then obviously there's like this bigger zipper pocket that you have in here. You can use it as your wallet, I guess. You can just put your money in here or your cards, although there is another couple of pockets in here. There is one, there's another here, and there's another big slip pocket. So there's quite a bit of the room in this little handbag. Quite a few years ago I did own the Pochette Accessoire, and I ended up selling it because I never really wore it. But you know, since I noticed that it came up with newer version, I really like that, and I like the idea that it has some compartments. The original Pochette Accessoire did not have any of these. I think there was like a little slip pocket only. So yeah, let me show you with my new wallet how everything fits in. So obviously it's a small wallet, so there we go. It will fit in beautifully. She did offer me to try some other small bags. I think there was another one that I also liked, but you know, I said this one was the one that I knew I was gonna purchase, and I should stick to my plan. So the next handbag that I would like to buy is on my wish list. There is one, and I probably will buy eventually, but yeah, I'm just kind of following my, you know, kind of wish list and what I really wanted. So yeah, this is how the wallet looks in here. Even the full-size wallet will fit in here because, like I said, I used to have you know, the original Pochette Accessoire, so you can definitely fit a full-size wallet. So yeah, I mean, look, I can put my sunglasses even in here. There's still plenty of room. I don't have much stuff in here to show you. Hold on, my cell phone is here, so let me put my cell phone. There we go. There is still plenty of room. I mean, this is a small bag, but it will fit quite a bit. Here is the hand sanitizer, which I can put in here as well. There we go. So yeah, and I can still put my car keys in here, and it will be plenty of room. Let me zip it up just to show you guys. There we go. So yeah, I think this is like such a perfect kind of a handbag if you don't need to carry a lot with you, and you know, like I'm just gonna run errands, or just put this in my bigger tote if I go to work, and I can just kind of use this as my purse, you know, if I need to leave or something and I don't want to drag the whole tote with me. So what do you think, guys? So yeah, so I stick to my budget, I stick to my plan, I stick to my list, and I bought things that I intended to buy while I was there, and I'm very happy, I'm very satisfied. So yeah, let me know if you guys own this little handbag and if you like it and how it works for you. So I am super excited, and yeah, I'm gonna start using it right away. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I'm gonna do at least 2 more videos, 2 more hauls. I bought so many cosmetics, so much like a good stuff, which if you live in Europe, and I know I do have quite a few European followers, you can obviously get it. Some of the things you can get in America as well. They're just not wildly available like in Sephora, but you can definitely get it in here. And I have to do one more video with other stuff that I purchased. I purchased a lot of shoes, a lot of little accessories. I bought one handbag also, which is Polish handbag, Polish brand. So yes, give it a thumbs up if you want me to do these videos, because I think they're gonna be nice too. I got some clothing items, and I even bought myself a new violin case, which probably you're not gonna be interested to see it, but yeah, the violin case was another one that was on my list, and it was very expensive, but it was much cheaper to buy over there than to buy here. Many of you might be surprised, but the violin cases are extremely expensive, especially the professional ones that, you know, that will really take care of your instrument. So I saved about, I'm gonna say $500 on that case by just buying it in Europe and bringing it here. So yeah, it was like a cost of the handbag, of a good designer handbag. So yeah, so like I said, I had my budget and I knew exactly what I wanted to buy, and I am super satisfied. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, obviously don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!